Hi, this is Mahdi from InstaWebWorks. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can process historical data. So let's go to contacts. You can see we have all of these contacts, 8 contacts in total. These were before we set up our extension. So these are historical data, and you can see the mailing latitude is not there. So that means these records haven't been processed with our extension. So let's go to Marketplace, installed, click on Settings of Address Toolkit, Google Address Toolkit for Zoho CRM. Now let's click on Historical Data. You have to keep in mind, you need to have settings for the module you want to process the data for. So when you install our extension, contacts, leads, and accounts, these 3 modules are already set up, meaning they already have the settings. But for any other modules like deals or a custom module, you need to create a settings first, then you can do the historical data. So let's click on bulk process, click on modules, so we can select contacts, custom view all contacts. You can have a custom view created if you want to have a condition for which data you want to process. Save. And now you need to wait. It is in progress. So in the meantime, let me tell you that don't try to process multiple amount of data together, because once you add your credentials, once the API limit is completed, it will start spending a lot of money for you. So keep in mind your API limits, and so that you can process the data accordingly. So let's wait and come back when the data is processed. All right, so as you can see, the status is completed, so the data is processed. Let's go to the contacts module. Then we are expected to see the mailing latitude to be populated. These addresses weren't populated because they didn't have any address data. If we go inside, then we can see the mailing addresses are not there. And if we go inside these data, then we should click on the Address Toolkit button and see the map view populated with all of the other addresses properly populated from the Google Address suggestions. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.